Welcome to the heart of the city, downtown Fredericton.
With charming historic buildings, stunning views of the Wolastoq River, and countless activities just steps away.
Downtown Fredericton is the city's hub for business, government, and culture.
It's home to some of the most walkable neighborhoods, diverse zoning for commercial and residential spaces, and an abundance of amenities.
Cafes, restaurants, and pubs offer something for every meal, and when summer rolls around, patio dining takes center stage.
And don't miss the annual Harvest Music Festival, an event that transforms downtown into a music lover's paradise.
Downtown Fredericton has something for every season. Rent a kayak in the summer, lace up your skates at Officers Square in the winter, and experience Frostival, a 3-week winter festival.
Whether you're a seasoned art aficionado or just someone looking for an afternoon of creative inspiration, the Beaverbrook Art Gallery is a must-visit, with delightful blends of world-class masterpieces and contemporary marvels.
And let's not forget about the incredible architecture. With homes dating back to the 18th century, downtown Fredericton is a dream for history lovers.
From charming craftsman homes to grand Queen Anne revivals, there's something for everyone's tastes. Whether you're a resident or just visiting, one thing is clear.
Downtown Fredericton is the place to be.